Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. So so for today's video, I'm going to do a fridge organization, or is it cleaning, or both? Yeah. So today is a holiday, so leo nimepata time. I want to do some cleaning kidogo. Okay, yeah, I want to do some cleaning kidogo. So I wanted to tag you guys along. And yeah, I hope you'll enjoy my video, and please subscribe. It's road to 500 subscribers. You can also share. Yeah, I know nakaa venye nataka, but anyway, yeah, it's a holiday, so you don't have to look nice all the time, Also, anyway guys, I wanted to show you this what do we call it, this plant behind me. I bought it in Nakuru. Yeah. So let me give you a clear view of it. Hey, so guys, this is the plant. I know it looks nice. Yeah, I bought it in Nakuru some times back, kitambo, and I really love it. It looks so nice. Ni camera tu imekata kunini. Ni camera is this calling me? Yeah. So guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, see you next time. Bye.